Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Hakakat nyu tri ujali orjar arpo, ka sorkar jila kala syong ya kejingelang bat kinomi khmat jongka Metal Scrap Trade Corporation Limited, kadang ban sngotho ya ki lintiya bat iki kedon balapan bej daka MSTC bat ka Coal India Limited shwa ban dililam ya udewyong na kajala Meghalaya. Hakajing keren baka Batisi TV Menteri rang baka jala konrat kisang ma ula ong ba menta ka Metal Scrap Trade Corporation Limited kala pendap ya borok kijing don kam bat lapen pauru kajing kermen basyen on sala ban penbenano ya kajing lilam ya udewyong hapo shitayo lani hapo shpos ngi ai.
In fact, we have already had a meeting with MSTC, and the entire procedure of the auctioning has finally been finalized with MSTC and Government of India and Coal India. And I think the process now that MSTC has cleared the entire process on how it will be done, I hope that we'll be able to initiate the actual auctioning process in about a week or 10 days time.